Home Cooking Done
Hi guys, and
Roxy.
welcome to another edition of Home Cooking Done Roxy. I'm getting ready to make egg rolls. This is my veggie slaw. This is my egg rolls. I'm going to use ginger, curry powder, and 1 shrimp. I'm going to dice this sucker real nicely. Okay, so I mix, and I'm going to put some scallions. This is my broccoli slaw. I chopped up some shrimp, a little bit of shrimp. I got my egg rolls, my dough laid out here. I'm gonna put just a little bit, just a pinch, handful, and I'm gonna roll it. Tuck and roll, guys. Tuck, tuck, and roll. No, I'm not Chinese. Just a girl from the hood making egg rolls. You know, sometimes you just get tired of going to the Chinese restaurant and they keep giving you the freaking frozen ones and they be so disgusting. And you be all excited about them and they're disgusting. So get a little pinch of water, put it there, and fold it closed. So I guess mine done got a little dry. And then, just as sure as I did that, let me get the camera ready. Stay focused. Pick this up. And we're going to drop it right on in the grease. Okay, so one is ready. We're going to take this one out. I had to hydrate them a little bit more. That one is done. This one is still going. I'm going to let it cook just a little bit more. This one is a little bit more neater, thank goodness. And I got my duck sauce ready. So I got this one. I'm gonna do it again. I had these a little while, so I had to hydrate them with a little water. So keep your little water, else they will crack while you're trying to wrap. And put the water on the edges. So wherever you see a lot of white, kind of put the water there so you can rehydrate your dough. Just like that. And I'll do it again. Hold on. So put your filling right on in the middle. Just like that. Got me a little piece of shrimp right there. I'm going to take it, tuck it, just like that. Hydrate your ends. I'm going to tuck it, and keep on rolling. See how it cracked? So that you want to take a little water. Don't worry about it. It'll be okay. There's always room for human error in Home Cooking Done Roxy's kitchen. You roll that bad boy